know Ryan's gonna like these. I know they're probably gonna be messy.
Come back a little bit more.
Come on back a little more.
A little more.
Gotta try and get them level up. There you go.
Good. Oh, look at that beautiful thing. All right, here's you some breakfast. I know it's messy. I got napkins if you need them.
Yeah, I gotta fix that power in the garage.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Because it's not in the conduit. Here, I'll let you get the dog first.
I was gonna say, don't worry about anything.
I'll let you get him.
Smells like sausage in there.
There you go. Well, what's up with this one?
Change out.
Leaking or
Old.
Outrageous power bill.
Alright, so it's safe. Dogs away. Old Lennox. It looks like the one that we took out of my house.
Yeah. 22. My jug is full.
Cool.
So if you need some 22, there you go.
I'll
I'm
take
pretty
it.
sure it's 22. I
It's
think.
heavy, very heavy.
If you need a new whip, I got a whip in the truck.
We got to have that pad in here.
We'll come around that way. New pad.
Old as dirt.
We'll make it new, man.
Because I always want my time,
Okay.
and you told me to hold
I
off.
figured. Yep, I'll definitely go over that.
I actually put it on a bigger sheet to help you because of your
Okay.
eyeballs.
Yeah, the only thing it is
We'll do it in a minute.
Straight yonder, you got it. You able to sit down?
No, I'm standing here like a statue.
Nice.
Not have a hug.
Why ain't you got this out yet? Just kidding.
I let them do their thing, and then I know what to do.
This would definitely knock it apart.
Right. Require some foot action. Something else stuck in there?
Got something holding the backside.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna have to open the door.
Okay. Out goes the girl. What's that plastic bag stuck on it? All right. So now we gotta get the cabinet out. So first we're gonna pour the cool cleaner in the drain. Get that soaking good.
Sit the whole time.
You want me to tell you when it's coming out the outside?
In a minute.
In a minute. See what's going on outside. He's putting coal cleaner in the drain. He said, see?
Right.
Leave it cracked so we can call him.
We'll rake this side out so it sets level. There you go.
Here it comes.
Tell Ryan I want him to come in here.
Okay. See where they're at. Ryan, can we use you in here for take this cabinet out?
Sure can.
Just for a minute. It's empty. He just needs help carrying it out the door, I guess.
Be right back, folks. He's in there cooking bacon, isn't he?
I know it. It's driving me crazy. Something fell down in the back.
Yeah, it's a ring line.
The one that we don't need.
Alright.
All right.
So you need that to face you?
Nah, it don't matter, as long as you can get it outdoors. It's thinner that way.
Narrower. More narrow.
Or narrower.
Narrower.
So we could.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta rebuild the platform.
Boing. Boing. Good job. There we go. One piece.
Man, you'd think that stuff was rotten.
This is pressure treated.
This in there.
Got it?
I got lucky.
Oh, the last two.
The last two popped right out.
Well, I guess that's luck.
Looks like we got double layer. Double layer wood.
Yep, like there's a screw right there, I think. Oh, I don't think all them
it's not gonna go
nuts
down.
are not going in there.
I wish that little saw would cut through nails a little better.
Well, maybe it's the blade.
I've tried all of them. That one says metal, but
Why don't you take your sawzall down the side of the wall?
I gotta cut this down because it's split.
Let me start with the square.
And I'll bring it back up in PVC.
You want it up under here too?
Yep. You need to leave yourself a little bit of leeway. 32.5.
Let me get on that side?
Yes, but hold it, but don't pick it up and pinch
Yeah,
me.
I got you.
Please. I still have to go in the truck.
Come on, do it from this side. There you go. You're only using this part anyway, right?
That doesn't matter, that's dangerous. Here, I get it. You can't have that in your hand when you're working.
Where'd the light go? Phase 2.
Come on, babe. I'm gonna set her down right there.
Set her down right there, he said. And here's this. And we got a heater somewhere, and I gotta take pictures and get stickers. Gator hunting?
Angle bracket.
No, we're talking AC stuff.
If I got a 50.
None of them had a name was, I just grabbed them all.
Yeah.
This
I
is
got
a,
a 30 for out there at the unit.
this is a 7.5K dose.
This is Lake City, Lake County. Lake. This is a park. Yeah, this is Lake County.
Oh, we got power.
I miss the action.
Yeah,
I miss the action.
that's not better than the Bailey's house.
No
Yeah.
doubt. Perfecto.
I guess it's going in their hole. I can't see the hole.
You're gonna have to move all this stuff to get under there.
One more. Hoping this works. That's perfect.
Me too. Oh yeah. Here. You keeping the dirt out of that?
I'm trying to keep the dirt out of this area, yes.
Wow, that's a shiny one.
Yeah, and the screws ain't long enough.
Oh, you need longer screws? Let me get you a tack gun or something.
Oh.
Don't get in the mastic.
They go over here. Bobby will knock those in there too.
You want me to hold them?
Man, I got.
You put them in your pocket.
Yeah, I carry a tool belt.
That's good.
Drain.
Don't we just use the saw?
Make it long.
Grab me a black zippy.
Black Zippy coming up. You need some more water on your rag? Or are you good?
I think I'm good. No, I'll end up needing a little more, actually.
Alright, there we go. Problem solved.
Problem removed. Alright. Write this down.
Obviously, something about finding that.
I don't see that.
Oh,
If I cut some of that off, can you get it to come down?
I should be able to, yeah. If you can rip some of that Armaflex off.
No, tape right there.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm gonna take about
Done some big ones.
8 inches
I
off.
got a whole thing here, so take as much as you want.
I did a big one on a friend of mine's house where we did the whole.
You gotta poke that?
Yeah, I
Anything?
gotta cut it off.
Oh, baby, grab me a towel.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
She spilled her Mountain Dew.
That fine.
It was good down there, Bobby. I wouldn't have put that door on if I knew you were gonna have to get back down there.
He died November.
Wow.
Yep. I thought she was kidding with me.
What the heck happened to him?
Prostate cancer.
Oh, that's why he quit. He was not working in the field anymore. He was.
I like to see this part.
Hurry up, you get all the brown. Oh, look at the brown stuff coming out.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't clean yet.
Oh, there's more chunk.
You're still washing out brown.
Looks like paper bag. It's kind of clear now.
Is it clear?
It looks pretty clear now. I was just seeing if any more chunks were coming out. But I think we're good.
Good?
Yeah.
That should be good, Bob.
Yep, it's nice and clean. And bubbly. A little bit more, a little bit. Oh, another little chunk. Alright. That's good. This looks fantastic. Fantastic. Up off the ground. Drain pipes ran and strapped in.
We're done in here.
Yeah, that looks good. Another job well done. Let's go see the finished product.
I think it's listed for.
That looks.
If you can give less than 300, okay.
There we are.
When I went up there, they had that one
That's
listed
all
for
it, Lane.
$500.
So we're good with the ladder?
Oh yeah, markups in there.
You gonna vacuum this little platform?
Hmm? 75 PSI on something wrong.
See this stuff that came out of the drain? It's like little
Snickers, got some dark
that
chocolate.
rubbery looking stuff.
I do appreciate the offer though.
Here and here. Weird, huh?
Yeah.
Like it cleaned out a whole layer of scum.
Man, I went to that